since I did a programming stream. Oh, but hold on, this ain't right. I'm on my main monitor right now. There we go. Okay, so I'm writing an API. Okay, well that's not relevant right now, but in this stream I want to figure out how I can manage. Okay, so let me show you what I have. Hold on, let's make sure I don't got anything bad open. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so I have this little application running. So let's clear the console, and if we go here, boom. So okay, that disconnected. So let's boom, refresh. Alright, yeah, so if we refresh, then boom. Every time we thingy, it will transfer us to a new session ID, to a new SocketIO session. And I want to implement something where we can like handle multiple clients, if you get what I mean. So I want to be able to handle multiple connections. So what I want to do is, so let's say we click first page, right? It's going to redirect you to this page right here, right? Or if we click second page, it'll redirect you to another page, for example. As you can see, if we go to, so here, let's refresh. So boom, we have a new connect event. Now let's go to our first page. Boom. That connection will disconnect and it will be a new session ID. So that's problematic. So I was looking at the documentation for this, and it says we can do a room. So let's see, SocketIO on joined. All clients are assigned a room when they connect, named with the session ID of the connection, which can be obtained from request SID. A given client can join any rooms, which can be given any names. When a client disconnects, it is removed from all the rooms it was in. Since all clients are assigned a personal room, to address a message to a single client, their session ID of the client can be used as the to argument. So I'm thinking maybe we could like store the IP address. I don't know. I honestly think that might be the best option for us, is to store it by the IP address. Let's go here. Let's do new connect event, and we'll do it from remote address. Okay, I think this would be, yeah, localhost. Okay. What if we host this in a, I already host, that's 5,000. Okay, we need one on 55,000, or yeah, 5,500. I don't think this is, I think this is still going to be localhost. Yeah. That might be different when we have it like running. That's going to be different when we have it on Nginx. But we could test it on localhost for now. We'll probably need to set up Nginx soon because I would like to test the redirects. But this is going to do for now. So let's think here. Alright. So, new connect event. So we'll go to the connection manager and we'll have like a method. We'll call it def add client self request. We'll go over here. Look at manager, add client request. Okay. Self-active connections, remote address equals SID. Right. Then we'll do remove client. And probably remove client. see, every time we redirect them to a page, that's gonna happen. We don't want that to be spamming the console. I don't know how we're gonna determine when a user like leaves the page for good. It's okay. We'll figure it out as we go along. Let's look at what we have so far. So boom, new connect event. Oh, that's why. Alright, so new connect event. I don't know why there's a Z there. Whatever. URL. I wonder, can we just do this? I don't think we can we? I'm pretty sure it won't do nothing because, yeah, okay, we could probably emit a message though. I think I have that set up actually. Let's go to my templates, my base, response, emit response, and then URL is going to be URL, and let's refresh this. So boom, first page, and yeah, okay, so the redirects work. Why is there a Z right there? That's annoying. What? Did I do that? Oh yeah, right here. Alright, so boom, boom, boom. Okay, so yeah, that works fine. Let's refresh that so I can get rid of this Z. Yeah, see, but So let's look at this real quick. So rooms, how many applications it is necessary? Let's see. Let's see if ChatGPT has a good solution. It's in my brain. Hold on. Let's clear everything real quick. Okay. I actually wanted to write feature by feature, so I'm probably not even gonna worry about the redirections right now. What I want to worry about though is let me see background response. Redirect. Okay, let's worry about what I wanted to actually write. So what I wanted to write was when we get a new connection, the bot will message the proper user that we got a new connection, and how we determine is the API key. How we determine if it's a proper user is the API key. So let's just delete all this for right now. Okay. Boom. So, won't worry about any of that. Connection manager. Okay. We might end up just rewriting a lot of that code. That's okay. Alright, so boom, we have a basic little thingy. So 127. Okay, we have it open somewhere. We have it open right here. All right, so yeah, so we'll do new connection. We won't even worry about that right now. New connection event. Cool. So we have an API helper right here, and we have something that will do a post request. Let's do new visitor. Alright, and if we go over here, it's very simple. So it'll grab the user from the request headers. How I do this is I grab the API key from the request headers. We have some error handling if there's no API key, or if it's an invalid API key. And otherwise, we will put the key in the user in the request. We can just grab it like that. Then we'll say receive new visitor, and we have that running in Docker right here. No URI read. Is that when I tried to make a request here? No, okay, I don't know what that was. Whatever. So, let's see. API URL, let's make sure that's API. Right, so then we could do something like, bear with me a second. We could do something like new visitor. We could do response equals self post new visitor. We'll do return response JSON. And in here we could do API new visitor. You have to shape this close. Login info API response. Okay, let's see what happens there. So, no connection. Ever no API key was defined in the request, please try again. Okay, let's see. X API key. Well, that's weird because it's right here. Let's make sure that's the right name. X. We don't ever post it with the headers. Headers equals self headers. I don't think we need this because I don't think we're posting anything with files in it. Here we go. The API key was invalid. That's good. Because it was just a 1 anyways, I think. Yep, it's just a 1. So let's go over to here. We have a real API key already generated. And it's assigned to the user badware, which is my user. Open back, badware. So, API key. Place it. Now let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, that might be, let's see. It's probably because we don't have a response. Let's see over here though. So, yep, badware received a new visitor, and then it gave an error because we didn't return a valid response. It returned success response. Okay. Do we have a default message for this? Okay, it's all optional, so you just return that. That'll be good. Restart that. Alright, let's try it one more time. Status success. Nice. Bad word received in the visitor. Now we can post. You can send a message here talking about received a new visitor. So I have like a config. New visitor message. Received new visitor. I don't know. IP address. And I think we probably passed that over here, wouldn't we? Yeah. Self data. And then we go over here. Data, boom. Data. New visitor, data. And then we can do JSON data. Remote address. And actually, I think we're gonna hold on. Let's see. Okay, we want this because when we're using Nginx, this is how we're gonna be able to grab the real IP of the visitor. So. Probably do the user agent as well. Request user agent. Let's see what all we have in a Flask request object. Oh, blueprint. Okay, that's useful because let's say we have one panel. Okay, so let's say we have example, I don't know. We have a panel and we call the panel example panel. The name of the blueprint will be example. And then get that. Okay. Hold on. Can I do something like this? Yeah, we can. Okay. Is it one or two? Okay, so now we'll go over here. We'll do YouTube. We'll create. Let's see. Just grab this real quick. 10 seconds. Configuration. Get. JSON. Let's just do this real quick. Object of type user agent is not serializable. Did we restart this? No, we didn't. That's why I didn't print that. Where do I have? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let me put that on my other monitor so we can refresh it. IP address, boom, blueprint none. Why is the blueprint none? Shouldn't it be core? No, it's IP. It's interesting. Let's take away this right now. How is the blueprint? That so confuses me. Shouldn't it be core? We go to first. Is that gonna have a blueprint? Okay, let's go right here. It's only on the first home page. BP core. That's interesting. I guess maybe because it's a... Oh, okay. It's probably because it's a socket or something. I mean, there's no harm in putting it here, really. Probably better anyways if it's gonna be opening a new connection every time we connect to a new page, or redirect to a new page. So for now, we'll just do pass. Response equals API new visitor data. And we'll do login info response. That will only return the temp IC, but then we're gonna have to wait for the API to return a response. It shouldn't take too long, I don't think. Okay, we'll do if response okay, we'll do status equals response get status. No, we'll do if response status equals success. Else if response status equals error. That's actually pretty good, because then if we like turn the panel off for some reason, we could just return an error response, and it wouldn't render the template. we should probably make that before requesting. That's fine for now. Return rip. Nice blueprint core. So let's see. Now I wonder if we, okay, let's say this is a core blueprint, right? Root, core, an example is like an extension of this blueprint, root, home, def, home. Okay, let's do something like this. Blueprint def for request current blueprint request blueprint login info blueprint current blueprint. Alright, now we could do something like from boom example import blueprint as example. Blueprint, registered blueprint, example blueprint, boom, and then return hello world. Core example. Do this. That works. We'll do request blueprint equals request blueprint split. How about we do data blueprint request login info data. Turn that over. Yes. Blueprint example. Nice, perfect. That's beautiful. Okay, we'll do IP address. Just gonna be that. User agent plus user agent string. Response. Status did not equal success. Great. This works beautifully. Okay. Ooh, and that's different. Is that my IP? It is. I wonder why it's my IPv6 and not my IPv4 though. Let's take down the API and let's boom, take it down. Response JSON. Okay, so try. Okay, wait. This shit already had it out, right? Exception. Try. Return. Accept. Accept. Return. API response bad. You can do. I figured this would happen. Okay, that's good. Okay. I mean, I guess I could raise that over. I can't see the API ever going down, so I don't really have to worry about this stuff. Let's remove that thing. Let's remove that. Okay, so let's send a message. Text equals configuration get new visitor message. And right, so we have a sample of the data now. We can just do format IP address equals data. IP address. User agent equals data. User agent equals data. Right. Rough format. Make that cleaner. And then we'll do bot send message. Or we'll do user send message. Text. Now we'll go to our user class. Have a nice little convenient send message. Text. From bot or bot. Bot send message chat ID equals self chat ID. What else does have to be here? It's chat ID. Text. And I also want to send like a markup markup equals none by default. Apply markup. Load to do, generate markup. So boom, let's stop, let's start it, clear everything. And let's make sure this is running the latest as well. Okay, let's close this. I don't think I need this. Boom. First, second page. Nice. Receive new visitor. IP address. Blueprint example. This is great. Okay, and we'll generate a markup, I guess. Keyboards, client, def, generate client markup. We'll rename visitor to client. That sounds new client message. See if ChatGPT could give us some cool emojis. Ah, that's what I was using Brain for. Alright, I'm gonna get that space here. Probably use like a notepad for the blueprint. That site was fucking cancer. I don't know what the fuck that was. User agent. Hit the user agent for blueprint. What's that silhouette thingy? Silhouette emoji. I did not spell that right. That's alright. Boom, boom. How do I hide things? Ah, okay. We'll do that for the user agent. Will that work? That will. Is that still gonna look cancer though? Oh, is it? Oh, I guess it's 1 for this. Huh. Maybe we could just add it as a keyboard option to look at the user agent. Receive new client IP address. Oh man, sorry, I got distracted. So let's see. I do from bot keyboards clients. Import clients is keyboard. And we'll do markup equals keyboards generate client markup. Yeah, excuse me, I have